Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to another super exciting episode of GB's Unboxing Adventures. Woo! You know what I mean? Jelly bean? Carling, lager, no preservatives, brewed in Canada.
Shine more lights on it!
I don't have any more lights. Sorry, buddy. Let's open her up. Woo! Drink up, buttercup. There you go. Good Canadian beer. So, today's box is a cardboard box. It measures, what does it measure? 10 inches by 8 inches by 9 inches tall. Weighs about 15 pounds. And sounds nice when you swing her back and forth. So you have a good idea of what's going to be in there. It's black, white, red, and gray. It has words on it. Pick it up there and let's shake it a bit. Wow. You've heard that sound before, haven't you? Nice. Here you go, bitches. Woo! Carling Ice. 5.5%. Yeah, look at that, eh? Carling Light is 4%. Regular Carling, 4.9. Carling Ice, 5.5%. Good Canadian beer, bitches. We have Canadian beer bitches and Canadian beer, comma, bitches. Woo! So there you go. Since 1840, London, Ontario, Canada. That's where this was first brewed. 5.5. I like my beers 5%. 5.5 is okay. 6, 6.5, 7, 8. No. Takes away from the flavor of the beer. So, do you think it really is Carling Ice in there? I don't know. Maybe not.
Where are the Hanson brothers? Where's my fucking beer?
Right here, bitchy. Bitchy! They got a dozen more right here. Gray, not blue like the normal packaging. And I think Carling Light is light gray, I think. I don't know. Don't drink light beer. Light beer is for pussies. All right. Woo! Oh, wait a minute. Label. Carling Ice. Well, I'm not going to open it because it's not cold. So I'm going to put some of these in the fridge. And I'm going to put them in the freezer, actually. Then we'll come back and we'll crack one of these bitches open. Because warm beer can fucking blow me. There you go, bitches. Carling Ice. Marco Hermanos. There you go, motherfucker. Hey, you shot yourself in the foot. Asked you a simple question. I was going to send you something, but no. Wanted to fuck around. You'll see in an upcoming unboxing video. Easy for me to say. Fucking weed is kicking my ass right now. Alright, let's get these in the freezer. We'll be back, bitches. Woo! Got a big fucking pork roast in the fucking pit, bitch. Oh yeah, it was in the sink here in an earlier video. I don't remember which one. The Panzerito video, I think. Anyway, yeah, I'm cooking that up right now. And the one that was supposed to be in the burger video, but it was burgers instead. Woo! Alright, bitches. Alright, bitches. We back. Woo! Nice and chilled down now. It's been about 40 minutes, so there you go. Carling ice. Ice, ice, baby. There you go, bitches. Give her a whirl, boys and girls. And others. Woo! Nice! Woo! Fuck yeah. Well, there you go. Tastes a bit different than normal carling. I like normal carling better. But, hey, they were out of normal carling at the beer store. This was all they had. Well, they had light. I won't buy fucking light. So, there you go. Carling ice. They were even sold at a crappy Canadian. Tell you, man, this Corona is giving us a fucking beer shortage. Woo! Shawinigan handshake. Boom, boom, boom. That's how you do it in, hey, the member from Shawinigan, huh? Oh, the good old days, bitches. Woo! Alright, go and buy yourself some carling ice, motherfuckers. RTFO, mofos. Fuck yeah.